here we are making our autonomous drone delivery system. This is our working area in which we gonna work. These are all my teammates who is working currently on components. So this is our autonomous drone delivery system. Our first task is to make this drone fly to its desired location. The drone should be capable of locating its current location and flying to the desired destination.
Okay, so my dear friends, today I'm going to explain the components of the drone. This is the metallic plate on which the ESCs would be soldered. These are the positive and negative terminals to connect the positive and negative terminal of the ESC, on which the ESCs would be soldered, and through this module metallic plate the power would be transmitted, as the power module would be connected on this plate only. This is the another metallic plate on which the flight controller would be attached, so that it would prevent it from falling down while flying. This is the frame of the quadcopter drone that we are using here. These are the propellers which we are using in making the drone, in which two are clockwise propellers while two are anti-clockwise, which would help in controlling the direction. These are the three-phase BLDC motors of the drone, which would help in rotating the propellers, and they also have the couplers included in them, on which the propellers would be attached.
It's an electronic speed controller. It is a three-phase wire which is connected with the three-phase of BLDC motor. It controls the speed of BLDC motor. There are three wires which is connected with the flight controller. The yellow wire signals the signal. The yellow wire conveys the signal. The red one is the positive one and the brown is the negative one. These are the two wires which are connected to the metallic plate, which are soldered on the metallic plate, which is this. The red one will be soldered on the positive side and the black one will be soldered on the negative side. And it's a 30 ampere ESC, electronic speed controller. It has GPS modulator, which is which wires are connected with the flight controller PICSOC, and it conveys the direct. It tells us the location of the drone where it's situated right now.
This is the flight controller of the drone. It will help in controlling the flight of the drone. So listen, here is the white arrow. So this white arrow indicates the forward direction of the drone, and here we have a port for the buzzer. The buzzer will be connected to the buzzer port, and we have a port for the GPS. GPS can be used to track the location of the drone, and we'll connect the GPS to the GPS port. Here we have RC port. So I'll explain. This is the remote controller of the drone. So we'll control the drone by this remote controller, and this will transmit signal and connect to the receiver, and the receiver will be connected to the RC port of the flight controller. And we have a power module. So this is a power module. This will help in distributing the power in the drone through the power distribution board, and this will be connected to the power terminal of the flight controller. And here we have a battery which will power the drone.
और डाल दो, कोई चक्कर नहीं. बस 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 सही.
टोटल पूरा ऊपर करेंगे इससे? पूरा नहीं करना, थोड़ा करके कंट्रोल में देखो, बढ़ाते जाओ. वहीं रहो, कोई नहीं, वहीं रहो मत. रुक जा. आ गया. कलर देख. हाँ, सॉलिड में ब्लू चेंज कर. बॉटल दे. ले जा. लेफ्ट साइड का दूसरा इसको. बढ़िया. We finally made it, guys. आगे चलेगा. वीडियो कर रहे हैं ना? फुल वीडियो कर. क्या कर रहा है ये? वेट करके फिर मूव करेगा कि मूवमेंट हो रही है. वेट करके सुनिए मूवमेंट. पहली बार तो मैं पूछ टेस्ट करता हूँ. पहली बार तो
भाई मेरे हिसाब से ना ये अबे
अपने आप ही नीचे आ जाओ. ये तो है एग्जिट कर गए. अबे पकड़ो उसको डिफार्म करो. डिफार्म कर देंगे. जल्दबाजी करने की जरूरत नहीं है. नीचे हाथ रखो.
सब पूरी पोजीशन में आ जाओ फिर डिस्काउंट करो। मैं डिस्काउंट कर रहा हूँ। नहीं कंट्रोल कर सकता। हाँ मैं लैंड कराता हूँ। 5 सेकंड कवर करेगा। ठीक है आगे नहीं जाएगा आगे। बस देखने तो फिर ऊपर ना